and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am showing y'all how to make some white chocolate brownies, because while Moxies is that girl, Moxies is also not near my house. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's begin. All right, so we're gonna start off with preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Then we're gonna light up a burner, and then we're gonna create like a double boiler so that we can melt our chocolate and butter together. Okay, I realized like trying to make it, I've been making this for like years now, but like trying to melt my chocolate in the microwave, my microwave's too damn strong. Okay, it always burns my chocolate or makes it like curdle, and then the brownies become like rock hard after like an hour. Who has time for that? Not me. Anyways, we're gonna take our white chocolate chips and then pour it into our bowl of softened, slightly melted butter. And then once the water is boiling on the burner, we are going to what's the word? Melt it down. There we go. I like to let it sit for a little bit. And then I also turn down the, once I put the bowl on it, I always turn down the heat to like low. Cause while it does what it needs to do, gas stoves are extremely hot for some reason. I don't understand it, even when it's on the lowest setting, but whatever. Now that the butter has melted, we're gonna mix it down and make sure that it's thoroughly like melted down and mixed together so that we don't have any issues when when it's baking in the oven. Okay, and then once that is all mixed and melted down thoroughly, we're just gonna leave it on the stove, but the stove is gonna be completely off. We're gonna go over to our mixer. You could do this also by hand, but girl, I'm lazy. I have a stand mixer for a reason. I don't like to be mixed. I don't have time for that. We're gonna take 2 extra large eggs, and then we're just going to beat it until it is foamy in the bowl. Okay, and then once she is foamy, as you can see, we're going to turn off our mixer, and then we're going to pour in our sugar and our vanilla extract. All the exact measurements and details and ingredients will all be listed down below in the description box. Okay, we're going to pour it in and then beat it again so that it's mixed in thoroughly, because we want to temper the eggs, because the chocolate and the chocolate and the butter is still hot, so we don't want the eggs to curdle when we put the chocolate mixture into the bowl. Okay, and then while that is mixing, we are going to take some flour. You already know, you scoop and you swipe, so you got an even cup. And then we're gonna switch over back to the mixer, and we're going to pour our chocolate mixture into the eggs, sugar, and vanilla, okay? Okay, so another reason why my brownies used to be extremely hard was I was mixing at every step. I don't need to do that. I can mix everything all at once. So once we add our chocolate mixture, you don't need to mix it with the eggs, sugar, and vanilla. You have to wait. You should wait till you add your flour so that everything can mix together, so you're not over mixing and then it's not like a tough batter. Once everything is incorporated, you turn that thing off swiftly, and then you add your semi-sweet or our pure milk chocolate chips. And then once that's fully incorporated, again, we turn off the mixer very quickly so it's not over mixed. And then into a greased cake pan, baking sheet, whatever you want to use, we're going to scoop and spread all our batter into there evenly, making sure that there's like not too much air bubbles. So like while you're tapping like the spatula, or in this case the beater, that'll settle the dough so that it's not settle the batter so it's not too, what's the word, I don't know, like there's not too many air bubbles. Okay, so now it's time to just pop it into the oven. We're going to set our timer for 25 minutes, okay? I like to leave it in for 25 minutes and then turn off the oven for another 2 so it can sit in there. I don't like to like over bake at all, because that's another reason as to why my brownies get so hard. The full 30 minutes, it's not needed. 25 minutes is good if you have a good oven, okay? And then you let it sit in there when the oven is off for an additional 2. All right, and then this is how the brownies came out. We're going to cut it into quarters because I'm the only one at home, so I don't really need to share. You get me? We're gonna scoop it out, put it onto a lovely plate. But before we do that, we're gonna take some cookies and cream syrup and we're gonna swirl it all around the plate. And then afterwards, we're going to put our brownie on top. And now you are going to add your favorite ice cream. In this case, I am taking some white chocolate ice cream. And this is how she turned out. Tastes so freaking good. You know, we're gonna do a little scoop test into that. Dig your spoon in, dive in. You can also add whipped cream, but I'm not a fan of whipped cream. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.